why we are going to use OIC? It is because it accelerates our integration development because there's a visual designer. We don't need to write. It's like a visual designer, we drag and drop. So if it is like a drag and drop, anybody can do drag and drop and then do the configuration as required, because we have a predefined wizard which will come up when we will start using the connections. They are pre-built adapters which we can use to establish the connectivity with cloud and on-prem applications, and we have a process flow. The nice feature of Oracle integration is how we are going to manage the authentication, authorization, and session management. You don't need to take care. Everything is inbuilt, will be taken care by the adapter, be it authentication. If it is for example, you are going to consume a REST API, how you are going to authenticate that API? You of course need some username, password to provide, or you need some OAuth details to provide. Of course, you will have it from the provider. You will enter those details and your connection will be established. Are you going to manage the session like one integration can only use a session at a time? No, you are not going to take care of it. Who is going to take care? Your integration platform. Easy customization and deployment. So like there may be a, when you need to deploy your application on production, meaning you need to migrate your application from dev to UAT and UAT to production, you need to create a playbook wherein you will write all the steps which is actually required to deploy your application from one environment to another, like dev to UAT, UAT is to stage to production and other instances. You write a playbook and you deliver that playbook to your operations team who does this job for you, and if they miss any step, they are going to mash up that deployment, which may take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days to fix that issue, which delays your production, right? But in case of integration cloud, the deployment is very easy. It's a 2 minutes job, I will say. And it's like a export the things from one instance and import it very quick. Just a 2 minutes job. You don't need to write a playbook. You will say simply, hey, I'm giving you the export, I'm giving you a file, you simply go there and then import it. Your job is done. Okay. Complex services and application encapsulation. So whatever REST APIs you have from your third-party application, you consume them with the help of Oracle integration. Invoke applications or gets triggered by event. So in integration, you can invoke any application with the help of available adapters, or it can be triggered by any event. For example, you want a trigger in an integration whenever a supplier gets created in your Fusion and you want to sync up that supplier to your third-party application, or you are raising a procurement request and you wanted to send that procurement request for approval. So you can get those events in your integration in a real-time manner and send those data to your application wherever you want to send. Supports microservice framework, and it maximizes the value of on-prem and SaaS investments by efficiently connecting your data and processes across applications. So these are the various benefits that OIC offers, hence OIC becomes an important part. Now, I'm going to discuss how you are going to build integration. So as an integration developer, you need to know what are the various steps you need to follow. Again, you are not writing a code, you're simply using the wizard-based approach, drag and drop to build and deploy the integration. So, like as an integration developer, you might be knowing, like whenever you wanted to create any integration, you need to application source and target, and then you need the detail so that you can connect to that application. Meaning, first of all, we have to build those connection with source and target application by leveraging the available adapters. Once our adapters are ready, once our connection is created, we do create the integration with the help of available patterns, be it app driven or the schedule. Once our integration is created, we leverage those connections and configure in the integration, and then we map the source and target fields with the help of visual mapper, which will help you to transform your data. It will help you to aggregate the data. It will help you to massage the data using that visual mapper. It's not like, again, you need to write a code, though you can do this, but mapper will allow you to map the source and target data visually. Okay. Once your mapping is done, the next step is to deploy your integration. Again, deployment is a single click activity, meaning you switch on the integration and your integration is deployed on your integration runtime engine. Once your integration is activated, you will have a unique endpoint which you can trigger or which can be triggered by any third party application. And once it is triggered, you will have to monitor, like administrator will have a job to monitor those integrations. They can track the live messages, payload, and manage errors. So that is a simple workflow to create and deploy your integration on cloud with the help of Oracle integration platform. Even easier with recipes. Oracle integration provides 100 plus recipes based on the common requirement. For example, you need to create an integration between AWS and Oracle Fusion, for example, and you don't know how to build it, right? So customer has this common requirement. What Oracle has done, Oracle has created a recipe on the similar requirement and then published in an integration store. As a customer, as a developer, I can take benefit of those recipes. I can look them, hey, this is my requirement. I will enable that recipe and will configure the required connection, activate it, and then it will be ready for me. Even it's not like you cannot modify those. You can modify the recipe as well as per your requirement. So it is easy with the recipe. You install the recipe with a button click. You configure the connections. You load pre-built recipes, configure endpoints as per your environment details, activate and monitor them. Very, very simple. I'm going to show you how you can install the recipes which are available in your integration store.
Hey guys, I hope this clip really helped you. And if you really like it, then do give us a thumbs up. And if you're really intrigued by the kind of words used, or maybe if this all is new to you, then we have something really special for you. We have our free class on Oracle Integration Cloud Services, and it's very easy. For that, you just have to log on to K21Academy.com /OIC02. So just let me give you a small demo, all right? So what you have to do is just go to your browser and type in K21Academy.com /OIC02. Click on book your free seat now. Select the event whenever you're available, add your credentials, add your email address, your phone number, and click on proceed ahead. Every kind of detail will be shared out to you on your email address and your phone numbers. After that, you'll be seeing this kind of link on extreme right. All you have to do is just save that link, add that link to your calendars, and You'll be able to learn what is cloud computing, different type of service models, Oracle Integration Cloud Services, what is OIC, what is its architecture. We'll be giving you a live demo and a walkthrough of Oracle Cloud and OIC Cloud instances. You'll be getting to know about different job opportunities. There'll be question and answers and a free gift for all the action takers. Till then, take care, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next class.